In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1300 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now before we proceed, you would be able to see two links that are being attached at the description box below. And if you're using a 64-bit PC, then proceed to the link being attached next to it, and if you're using the 32-bit PC, then proceed to the link that is being attached under the 32-bit. So how you can identify if you have 64 or 32-bit operating system. Now all you need to do is you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for info. Once you're done typing, just have to wait until a best match would appear in this window before we can proceed. System information would appear. All you need to do is you need to click on open, and eventually this kind of window would show up. So from here, just select the system type. There you can see whether if you have x32 or x64 operating system or base PC. In my case, I have x64. Once you have copied the link that is being attached there based on the operating system that you have, please navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you're done typing, a best match would appear. Please click on the open option to continue, and eventually you would be redirected to the Google Chrome in a few moments. So from here, please navigate at the search bar here and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard to paste the link that you have copied and hit the enter key in the keyboard again. And in that way, you would be directed to the result. So from here, you will be able to see a link, an exe file that is being attached, and aligning to what you can see there a download option. All you need to do is you need to click download, and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. Now just have to wait until this would be finished before we can proceed. Okay, so once done, please directly proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon and it will show you the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon so that you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click and go with this cut icon. So once you have copied it, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the space icon. Once you have pasted this one, all you need to do is you need to make a right click once again. Okay. And from here, just scroll down. Okay. And proceed to this tool and go with extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. We just have to wait until this would be finished. And once you are done on the extraction, please bring up the settings. So by that, please make a right click here and go with the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please proceed to the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. Please locate for Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, go with the devices as well. And once you have bring up the devices settings, you need to scroll down and locate for more devices and printer settings. So in a few moments, you will be able to bring up a window like this, which is the devices and printers. Now, the next step that we need to do is we need to navigate to the top of that. You can see there an option called Add a Printer, which is being placed at the left side of that. Click on the printer that I want as enlisted and go with Add a Local Printer or Network Printer with manual settings. Click on Next. And from here, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Click on Next. And from here, click on the task, go with Browse, and navigate to the left pane of that. You can see their desktop. Just select your extracted file, double tap to it, and it will show you the driver here. So just select any of this, double tap to it. And once it is being set here, click on OK. And from here, just select any of this printer driver. So go with Next, and you just rename that. So you might be confused why it shows here universal printer driver. So don't worry because this work for HP LaserJet 1300 driver as well. So you just have to nothing to worry about. So go with next and it will now start on the installation. We just have to wait until finished. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed to yes so that you can continue to the installation. Now in a few moments this would be completed. Now we just have to wait until this installation or this printer driver would be successfully installed here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So please allow for printer sharing. Click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1300 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.